Welcome to Gadget Talk. Subscribe Gadget Talk now. Press the bell icon for notification whenever I upload a new video. You can follow me on the social networks. Today we are going to do a Realme 1 unboxing and hands-on video. This phone has been launched on Amazon.in and is priced at 13,999 and available through flash sales. This is the Realme 1 box and these are the box descriptions. Let me unwrap the plastic and open the box. Inside the box we get some booklets, then TPU case, device, charger which has an output of 5V 2A, and lastly micro USB cable. Here is a closer look. These are all the box contents. Now let's come back to the device which is wrapped inside the plastic. Let me power on this device and in the meantime I will give you an overview of this phone. On the front there is selfie camera, display, earpiece, proximity sensor. This phone comes with pre-applied screen protector. And about the specification, this phone is powered by a MediaTek Helio P60 processor and comes in two options, 332 and 6128 memory. Also has 3410 mAh battery with dedicated SD slot and two color options. On the bottom of the phone there is a micro USB port, headphone jack, mic, speakers. On the right, slim slot, power button. Let's check the SIM slot which has a dual SIM plus SD card slot. On the left there are volume buttons. On the back, camera with flash, nice diamond cut design underneath the plastic which looks like glass, Realme and Oppo branding. Let me put the TPU case which comes inside the box and this is how it looks. Let me complete the setup process quickly. Now the setup process is completed. Let's talk about the display. This phone comes with a 6 inches Full HD Plus 18:9 full view IPS LCD panel. And on the software side, ColorOS 5 on top of Android 8.1 Oreo with March security patch. Let me check if there are any software updates available. Out of 128 GB, the usable storage is 106 GB. This phone doesn't come with fingerprint sensor. The only security unlock option is face unlock. Let me set up my face and we will test this feature. Let's do this one more time. These are all the sensors inside the phone. You can pause the video and check. Now let's talk about the camera. On the rear there is a 13 megapixel f2.2 camera and these are the different modes inside the camera. Let me take some pictures. This is the shutter speed. Let's check the pictures which we took. Now time to switch to the front camera which has an 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture and comes with AI in beauty mode. These are the pictures from the front camera and also has some AR stickers. So that's all for the unboxing and hands-on video. I hope you like the video. This video is sponsored by Khurana Sales. If you stay in Pune and are looking for phones, I would suggest you to try Khurana Sales. Here's why. You get exciting offers, discounts plus some freebies, even finance options available.